The return of the legendary Hummer H2 SUT is shaping up to be one of the boldest automotive comebacks in the world of luxury trucks, off-road icons, and high-performance utility vehicles. The 2026-2027 Hummer H2 SUT is expected to revive the unmistakable DNA of one of the most aggressive vehicles ever built, combining the original H2 SUT's commanding road presence with futuristic engineering, cutting-edge technology, and modern powertrain innovation. For years, the H2 SUT has remained a symbol of oversized luxury, military-inspired design, and unapologetic toughness. And now its potential rebirth is creating massive buzz among truck enthusiasts, SUV lovers, and collectors who crave a vehicle that makes a statement unlike anything else on the road. The original Hummer H2 SUT was never designed for people who wanted to blend in. It was created for drivers who wanted dominance, power, and unmistakable visual authority. That same philosophy is expected to return stronger than ever in the 2026-2027 model, but with a dramatic transformation to meet modern standards. Industry speculation suggests this next generation H2 SUT could merge the rugged heritage of the classic Hummer lineup with advanced electric or hybrid performance inspired by the modern GMC Hummer EV. This means the new model may preserve its iconic boxy shape, massive grille, wide stance, and bold proportions while integrating aerodynamic improvements, LED signature lighting, smarter chassis architecture, and premium luxury enhancements. One of the biggest reasons the Hummer H2 SUT remains unforgettable is its design language, and the upcoming model is likely to capitalize on nostalgia while evolving into a future-ready machine. Expect towering ground clearance, oversized wheels, reinforced body panels, aggressive skid plates, removable roof options, and a truck bed configuration that balances utility with luxury. The H2 SUT's identity has always been about blending sport utility with pickup versatility, and that formula could become even more compelling in a modern market where consumers want both lifestyle and functionality. Whether navigating urban streets or conquering extreme terrain, the new H2 SUT is expected to deliver an unmatched combination of visual intimidation and practical capability. Performance will likely be one of the most exciting aspects of the 2026-2027 Hummer H2 SUT. If General Motors chooses to electrify the platform, the truck could feature multi-motor electric powertrains delivering extraordinary horsepower figures, potentially rivaling or even exceeding 1,000 horsepower depending on trim levels. This would transform the H2 SUT from a heavy brute into a technologically advanced performance monster capable of astonishing acceleration despite its size. Instant torque, four-wheel steering, adaptive air suspension, crabwalk technology, and terrain-specific drive modes could redefine what buyers expect from a full-size utility truck. For traditionalists, there may also be hybrid or high-output combustion variants, but electrification seems the most likely direction as GM continues expanding its EV ecosystem. Off-road capability has always been central to Hummer's appeal, and this next chapter could push the boundaries even further. Advanced suspension articulation, locking differentials, underbody armor, water-fording capability, and intelligent traction systems could make the H2 SUT one of the most capable production trucks ever developed. This vehicle is not expected to be merely a city luxury machine. It is designed to embody extreme adventure. Whether crossing deserts, mountain trails, snow, or mud, the H2 SUT's reputation demands excellence in every environment. Buyers will likely expect not only toughness but technological superiority that makes conquering difficult terrain easier and more thrilling than ever. Inside, the 2026-2027 Hummer H2 SUT could undergo one of the most dramatic transformations in its history. While the original model focused heavily on ruggedness and commanding visibility, the future version is expected to blend brute force with premium sophistication. Imagine a massive digital cockpit, ultra-wide infotainment displays, augmented reality navigation, AI-powered driving assistance, wireless integration, luxury leather seating, customizable ambient lighting, and premium sound systems. This evolution would allow Hummer to compete not only with traditional trucks, but also with luxury vehicles from brands like Cadillac, Land Rover, and Mercedes-Benz. The result could be an interior that feels both futuristic and fortress-like, an elite command center for drivers who want capability without sacrificing comfort. Safety and driver assistance technology are also expected to become major priorities. The H2 SUT of the future could include adaptive cruise control, autonomous highway driving features, 360-degree off-road camera systems, blind zone steering assist, obstacle mapping, trailer tech, and collision mitigation systems. These advancements would make the truck more accessible to a broader range of buyers while preserving its hardcore image. For a vehicle of this scale, smart safety technology is essential, and integrating it seamlessly will be critical for mainstream success. From a market perspective, the 2026-2027 Hummer H2 SUT could occupy a unique niche unlike almost anything else available. While modern pickups like the Ford F-150 Raptor, Tesla Cybertruck, Ram TRX, and Rivian R1T dominate specific categories, the H2 SUT has the potential to carve out its own lane by emphasizing iconic design, extreme luxury, and heritage-driven power. It's not just about specifications, it's about identity. Hummer has always represented excess, boldness, and freedom, and this emotional branding could prove incredibly powerful in today's automotive landscape. Another reason for the anticipated popularity of the H2 SUT revival is the explosive growth of the luxury truck segment. Consumers increasingly want vehicles that combine utility with status, and the H2 SUT fits that demand perfectly. Its commanding size, distinctive silhouette, and legacy branding make it more than transportation. It becomes an extension of personality. For celebrities, adventurers, collectors, and truck lovers, the H2 SUT could become one of the most desirable automotive statements of the decade. Pricing will likely position the H2 SUT in the premium to ultra-premium category, especially if advanced EV systems are included. While affordability may not be its primary appeal, exclusivity could be a major selling point. Limited trims, premium packages, and performance editions could further elevate its desirability. Buyers won't simply be purchasing a truck, they'll be investing in one of the most recognizable vehicle identities ever created. Global demand could also be substantial, particularly in markets where large SUVs and trucks symbolize status and capability. North America, the Middle East, and select international luxury markets may become key battlegrounds for Hummer's resurgence. Given the rise of social media and automotive influencer culture, the visual impact of the H2 SUT alone could drive enormous online traffic, YouTube reviews, and consumer curiosity. Perhaps the greatest strength of the 2026-2027 Hummer H2 SUT is its ability to bridge past and future. It represents nostalgia for an era when vehicles were unapologetically bold, while embracing modern innovations that ensure relevance in an evolving automotive world. This balance between heritage and transformation could be exactly what makes it a cultural and commercial success. As automotive trends shift toward electrification, sustainability, and smart technology, many vehicles risk losing personality in favor of efficiency. The Hummer H2 SUT offers a different vision, one where innovation does not erase identity but amplifies it. It can be futuristic without becoming generic, sustainable without becoming boring, and technologically advanced without sacrificing toughness. The excitement surrounding the possible return of the H2 SUT is about more than a vehicle launch, it's about the resurrection of an icon. For those who remember the original, it symbolizes power and individuality. For new buyers, it could represent the ultimate fusion of off-road dominance, luxury, and next-generation engineering. If executed correctly, the 2026-2027 Hummer H2 SUT could become one of the most searched, most discussed, and most admired vehicles of its generation. It has the potential to redefine the sport utility truck category, challenge both luxury and performance segments, and prove that bold automotive legends can evolve without losing their soul. The Hummer H2 SUT may not simply return, it could rise as one of the most unforgettable vehicles of the future.